Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch between dark mode and light mode in Notion on your desktop. Whether you want a brighter, cleaner workspace, or crave that cool, eye-friendly dark look, you'll learn how to toggle between these modes in just a couple of clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make Notion comfortably match your environment or personal style, and I'll share a couple little tips along the way so you feel fully confident, even if you're brand new to Notion. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you've got your Notion desktop app open and ready. If you're more of a browser user, don't worry at all. The steps I'm about to show you work exactly the same way in both the desktop application and the browser version. That's one of the nice things about Notion. No matter where you're using it, the experience is seamless. So once you've opened Notion, take a look toward the top left or your sidebar navigation. What you're looking for is the Settings and Members option. It's usually represented by a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. If you've never explored the settings before, this might feel a bit new, but that gear icon is your gateway to all sorts of personalization features. Now, here's where you get to take control of how Notion looks and feels. In the Settings area, you'll see a section called Appearance. This might take a moment to spot. Just scroll until you see it, and don't hesitate to pause and look around. The Appearance section is where Notion lets you choose between light and dark mode. If your screen is currently bright white and making your eyes squint, switching to dark mode can be a real relief, especially during those late-night working sessions. Conversely, if you're in a bright room or simply prefer seeing everything crisp and light mode is the way to go. So under Appearance, you'll find two straightforward options, light and dark. Click on either one to switch instantly. For example, tapping dark dims the background in menus, giving you a softer, more modern look. It's a bit like swapping sunlight for moonlight, easy on the eyes, and sometimes just feels cooler. On the other hand, light mode returns things to the classic white background, which is great if you want everything clear and easy to read. Feel free to try both. You can always change it back at any time, and Notion applies the change immediately, so you'll see your pages transform right away. If you're a browser user rather than using the desktop app, I'll just remind you again, the steps are identical. That consistency means switching modes is totally straightforward wherever you're working. And don't worry, you're not locked in. There's no penalty for toggling back and forth as your lighting, mood, or preferences change. Sometimes it might take a second for your eyes to adjust, especially if you've been working a certain way for a while. Think of changing your Notion theme like switching out your workspace lamp. It can make a big difference to your comfort and concentration, and that's all there is to it. Super simple, but really powerful for customizing your workspace. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like to let me know. If you have any questions at all about Notion's appearance settings or anything else Notion related, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.